Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to be doing part 2 of this video of how I got this ericaj inspired look. Keep in mind my technique have changed, but this video is a little bit few weeks old, so I am going to give you guys this video because I did promise you guys that. So this is my friend Kiana. She is going to be my model for today, and you can see she has all this beautiful hair that I am about to braid down. So, you know, yeah, let's get right into this. So as always, I do start off with straight back braids when I am doing a frontal wig install or a frontal sew-in. This will be a full lace frontal wig that I did color in my previous video. So if you want to see how I achieve my color for the highlights and stuff, make sure you look at the link below and I'll list it in the description box. I'm also going to clean off any oils I have on her skin so that way when her ball cap comes on and it's time for me to, you know, slick it down and everything, it can stick perfectly. I'm carving out her ears too, that way it could lay a lot flatter when it's time for me to lay her ball cap. Once again, my technique have changed on how I do my installs, but I am going to give you guys this video like I said earlier because I did promise you guys this video. So I'm just going to sit her under the dryer so that way it can dry a lot faster. Now that she is completely dry, I am going to match her ball cap in with her skin tone by using some powder makeup. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this excess ball cap off. And make sure you be careful when you're using this razor. Kind of point the razor up, that way you don't cut the client's skin. On my full lace wigs, I like to go ahead and cut the ears, so at least slip the sides, so that way it can lay a lot flatter in the front. And then in the back, since it is a bob and she's not going to be wearing it up, I am just going to sew the back down, so that way it's not flopping up and down whenever she, you know, walking around and stuff. And as always, I'm going to be using my bold hold. I'm going to be applying 3 layers of this and let that dry. And then I will lay my frontal down. And just make sure you're real tedious when you're laying down this wig because you don't want your ball cap to show through it. The whole point of the ball cap is to protect your edges, but you definitely don't want to see it through your wig because that is embarrassing, sis. And I'm going to cut out her ear tabs too. Make sure you're real tedious with this as well because you don't want the lace to be sticking you all up in your ear because it may not hurt you the first day, but I guarantee you the next day and the day after that, it's going to be digging up in your ear and you're going to want to pull this whole entire front off. And I'm laying my, you know, the front of my frontal back with my wax stick and I'm going to press it out so it can be nice and flat in the front. So yeah, we're not going to do a part with this because the model that ericaj did have, Alexis Skyy, did not have a part, so we're going to try to mimic this style as much as possible the way the ericaj did it. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut her hair. I'm going to leave it longer on one side and a little bit short on the other side. Nothing too much of a big difference. And y'all, make sure when you're wearing these bobs or these wigs and weaves and stuff, make sure you throw some low layers in the back. Yes, I said it. Make sure you throw some low layers in the back of your weaves when you do some bobs because you're going to have that big old boxy look and that's not cute, sis. So make sure you put low layers in the back of your bobs when you wear these weaves because a heavy bob is a bad bob and that's not cute, sis. So now I'm just cutting off that excess lace, and I am going to start to make her baby hairs. But that's it. That's all I have for you guys this time on this video. I'm sorry I wasn't too detailed because, you know, like I said, my technique have changed. But, you know, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video if you care.